Lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. Already. Hashtag rotating. Ooh. Yeah. Scary. Alright. Now what? Okay. You got the keys?
No.
Where are they? Oh god. Now we gotta fly here. Damn it.
Did you find it?
Yeah, I found it. Get ready to fly.
Here's the garbage thing. Yeah, there's no garbage thing anywhere around here. You got the key?
Yeah. Yeah, that was cool, huh?
I guess.
Yeah, there's like 200. It's like 220, so I only paid 20 via Grab Pay.
Wow.
Yeah, and there was 200 peso off. So from Makati to here, we didn't pay anything.
I'm getting it out now.
Branding. Branding.
Branding. All right. Here we are. We're at the Gadget Fair. Gadget Fair. So here we are in the Philippines at the Gadget Fair. We're going to see what we got going on here. We got our first, here we go. We can get karaoke. Just got smarter. So we'll see what happens in here. Let's go to the Gadget Fair. I'm still looking for something I can use while teaching.
Oh my god, we're gonna try this 3D video loop. Let's see.
Actually a new technology. This is the technology that has been used in the movie Matrix, the 3D effects. That was it actually. So we're bringing it here in the Philippines so that Filipinos could also have the chance to experience.
Yeah.
So we are actually accepting events and corporate events, between events, so that if they wanted a new level of entertaining their visitors and guests, this is a new one.
Oh yeah,
Instead
video
of using photo booths.
You gotta be on this side though.
Yeah. Hold on. Alright guys, we're gonna
Well,
try.
you gotta get rid of that. You gotta get rid of the camera.
Oh, it is.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Ah!
I wasn't ready. That was the other way.
Yeah, that's G&D. That's G&D for sure. You got that? That's exactly what we're looking for too. The headphones.
That's cool.